Body movements. Bend. She bent down to pick up the pen. Jump. The kids are jumping on the trampoline. Wave. He waved goodbye to her friends. Clap. Everyone clapped after the performance. Yawn. She yawned because she was tired. Smile. She smiled when she saw her friend. Frown. She frowned when he heard the bad news. Kick. He kicked the ball into the goal. Point. She pointed at the map to show the location. Crawl. The baby is crawling on the floor. Run. He runs every morning in the park. Walk. They walked to the nearby store. Sit. Please sit down and relax. Stand. He stood up to greet his guest. Lean. He leaned against the wall. Scratch. He scratched his head in confusion. Bite. She bit into the cake. Punch. He punched the bag during his workout. Hug. She hugged her friend tightly. Bow. The performer bowed after the show. Shake hands. They shook hands to greet each other. Tiptoe. He tiptoed into the room to avoid waking him. Snap. She snapped his fingers to get their attention. Raise. She raised his hand to ask a question. Swing. The child swung back and forth on the swing. Slap. She slapped her brother. Blow. She blew out the candles. Bite nails. She bites his nails when he's nervous. Blink. She blinked in surprise. Drag. He dragged the heavy bag across the floor. Push. He pushed the cart forward. Stretch. He stretched his arms after waking up. Slide. The child slid down the slide. Roll. The ball rolled down the hill. Thanks for watching.